Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. Today I'm going to share this floral fabric journal with you. It has 6 signatures in it and I've put it together as a kit. It is what I think you would call a naked journal at this time. Has the pages, has some touch of lace, no pockets. It is ready for a theme, a bit of personality. So we'll do a flip through. I'll show you some of the ephemera. My goal is to inspire you, and then if one of you wants to purchase this journal, just let me know in case I don't actually get it listed on Etsy. I have 6 signatures and I've sewn it together with embroidery floss. I like that because you can pick any color you want and it just looks beautiful. Some people say it won't hold up as well as waxed linen thread. I don't know. I'm still a fairly beginner journal maker, so I don't have journals that are 10 years old. I made the cover with cereal or cracker boxes, probably cracker boxes, and fabric. This fabric is actually from a quilt that my mom made for my wedding. And I did have, it's all handmade. So I've got a little oops right there where I didn't quite miter my corner perfectly. And then on the inside, I have bits of the Practically Perfect paper collection. So it's got butterflies and cheerful colors, bits of lace and some stitching, and a variety of papers because it's 6 signatures. So there's a lot. Some are going to be thick, thin, tea-dyed. This is a gel print. This is like a rice paper with a bit of gold in it. Some of them I have punched the border on. I left the strings so those could be shortened up, just trimmed off, or you could add beads to them. And if you wanted to shorten them way up, you could make this a pocket just by gluing the ends. This one has a fabric washi tape on it. We're going down the other side of the signature here. This is some sort of beautiful paper with a sheen to it. Some hearts punched. A pink rice paper with a gel print behind it. Gives an amazing look. And there are lots of white pages, so if you want to use it to write in a lot, you can do that. Here's another opportunity for a pocket if you wanted to shorten those strings. There's a lot of pink, a lot of blue. Really some fun stuff. This one's just some stitching. And there are some sturdy pages that you could staple some heavier items to or add pockets. Here's a cute little envelope, and I haven't sealed it up. You might want to leave it that way because you could write on the inside, or if you wanted to stamp an image and leave it so it could be unfolded. So I'm not going to glue it. Cute border on that one. That is a bright print. It's a fun surprise in there. Lots of little things. This could be a pocket. You can staple or glue there and make it a pocket, or it could be the beginning of a tip out. This one has a butterfly border punch along the edges. Oh, look at that gel print. That one's fun. Again, the butterflies. This is a fun paper with some sprays on it. An envelope that is built in there and has some lace sewed around the bottom, and it has my name on it. You just cover it up with whatever you want. This is just a gorgeous paper. I don't know where it came from, but it is a knockout. Really fun. Then we're going down the other side of the signature. There's another tip out or pocket opportunity. Look at this signature. Oh my gosh. It's blue and it's a texture with the reflection like it's embossed. Gorgeous. Touch of lace on it. If you don't like the lace hanging out the bottom, take your scissors and trim those up. If you don't like lace at all, you could tear right down here, give yourself a fun torn edge and no lace. It's just set up to be customized however you would like it. This is a fun little pocket right here and a bit of a yearbook. Another gel print. And this is like a deli paper. Ooh, that's a fun one. I like that gel print too. This is from a calendar. This is ledger paper with a bit of gold on it. Another gel print. Cute little fun pocket here. So again, if you want to cut the strings, it's a pocket. Otherwise, it's just a fun little journaling thing. Or you could sew or glue this one and that could be a pocket. Lots of ideas. I would imagine that it will, because it has the pink in the cover, if you want to play up the pink, I have lots of stuff to do that. There's lots of blue and teal and different florals. Let me show you what I have here and some ideas for how I might use it. And again, you could purchase the journal and not use any of this stuff on it. It could just be fun stuff to add to your stash. This is a flower and leaf thing that I might put it on the cover, depending on, I might trim this down a little and glue it on the cover. Or maybe just take some of the flowers off and you could do these kind of flowers and these kind of flowers mixed. I just thought it was a fun item, and for a pink lover, it just may be an amazing journal cover. I have these flower petals that go with this kind of periwinkle color and blue. And then there's a bunch of pink ones in here. They could be layered up with these and glued together, or glue dots, whatever you have. Here's some different charms and a chipboard key. Have a couple of pink paper clips, some tabs here. These could be folded over and mark a section of the journal. Today in pink metallic. Beautiful. Some more flowers. Again, part of your layering and creativity if you want. This is a pink paint smush. It's a nice tuck spot or a background for building a cluster on. A little piece that says joy. And some wood pieces. If you don't like the natural and earth tones that we have going here, you could turn this over and color it if you want. Ink or heat emboss these. Same here. So a bow, some hearts, a fun paper clip. Collect beautiful moments. I just put stuff together that I think kind of goes with the journal and is fun. We've got some leaves and some words. This will be an adorable little pocket on a journal page. This hat, I thought it was sweet, and it kind of goes with the colors in here and the fun theme. Pockets, a little notepad. These are all things that can make nice little tuck spots or ephemera glued here and there. All sorts of cute things that can go in the journal, and an envelope to be decorated. This is a piece of a dictionary page that has some colors that matched. Some pink. This is a gold die cut. This would make a really neat pocket in the journal. A tag. This pink would be great to make pockets with, or you could trim it down and make tags with it. A bit of the fabric, some ribbon with some gold through it. This is, I don't know what I made this for. I think it was Brad's or something I was trying to use. But this would be a really cute tuck spot or pocket in this journal. These have some sentiments and some writing paper. You could use them in their pockets, and some doilies. So I think that's it. Maybe a few small items I didn't cover, but I will put this all together and it will be one kit. I think somebody could just have a great time. Maybe add some solid color papers or some personal items. I'm sure you have good stuff too. Or photographs. Maybe you want to put pictures. Maybe you want to use it for a personal journal and have writing space, so you don't want to decorate all these solid color pages. Wherever the day takes you, I hope that you saw some inspiration in this and that you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.